Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with the Aquarius March 16th through the 31st love reading. In this reading, we're going to go over two main topics, Aquarius. The first thing is we're going to look at your feelings toward your person of interest and their feelings toward you, and your point of view and their point of view about you. In this reading, just two main topics, but if you guys want to go deeper, I do have extended readings available. There is going to be a link down below in the description box for you to follow to get to the extended reading. In that reading, we go deeper. We look at your intentions toward each other, what you really want out of the connection at this time, and how to fix things, how to move forward, how to work through the issues, and some angel guidance for you guys. So if you want to know what's going on in your love life, let's get started. Aquarius, how do you feel about this person? What I'm getting here is that you all are seeking out answers. You guys really need help with something within this connection. You really want to know what's on this person's mind, or maybe you're just seeking answers from the universe about whether or not this is your person, if this is really someone that you're meant to be with for some of you. For others of you, you're just trying to find out something specific about your love partner that you're already with. I do sense that in the midst of everything, though, you're trying to keep the vibes high at this time. You're trying to keep positivity flowing right now. I don't feel like the vibes are low for you, and if they are low, you're not trying to keep it there. I do sense that you're trying to raise the vibration of this connection. You could be sensing that the person you're connected to or someone that you're interested in is in a very low vibe right now, and you're not vibing on that vibe, all right? You guys are more like riding through this connection like a breeze. You're barely there. It's like you're barely there. This time around, you're not the one making the most noise in the relationship. You're not the one who's creating the issues in the connection. You're the one who's just like coasting through this whole thing, I feel. You're mastering something here with this energy, Aquarius. The energy you're in is very delightful. I feel like you guys are really mastering your divine feminine energy and being in that feminine role in the connection, whether you're male or female. Even if you're a male Aquarius watching this, then you're taking on more like the role of the one who's kind of sitting back and letting your partner be a lot more dominant than you are right now. I've sensed that you guys are just taking in everything that life has to offer. So you're in a very calm and serene place. You feel very comfortable about things. You may be calling things out about your partner or to your partner's face for some of you. If this is a love interest, then you may be calling them out on YouTube comments. You may be watching videos for your sign or cross-watching their sign, and you're the person dropping comments down below. You may be that person, or you just have a lot to say about this person, but even though you feel like this, it's not in a brash way toward this person. It's like there's still love there. It may be that you're giving tough love. Okay. Now, how your person of interest feels about you. I sense that this person is not feeling the way things are going surrounding money, career, or this connection. So it could be something's going on with them financially with their money, and they are concerned about that, or they're concerned about a certain aspect in their career, their job. And for others of you, they're concerned about things within this connection, and they're not liking the way things feel right now. So it just really depends on what is happening with this person. Some of you, it's just the money thing. For others of you, this person is more about the connection. But I sense that this person does want peace, okay? They do feel at peace about one aspect, but another area is the problem, okay? This person is breaking something down here into pieces. Some of you, okay, I see this in three different ways. Either you're with a very destructive person who's having problems in their career or their money, and they're literally breaking things around the house because they are not knowing where their next money's coming from. They don't know how they're going to pay the next bill. For others of you, this is a person who feels broken down into pieces by you. They feel like you're the way you're acting is very nonchalant toward them, and you have this person really breaking down. You trigger this person in so many ways that I don't know if you realize how much you trigger them right now with this behavior. This could be a person where you're breaking down their ego, or this is a partner or a person who is breaking down emotionally because of their finances. They're just emotional, okay? There is a major, 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 major concern over money and finances for this person that you're connected to. But even though they're having this breakdown of sorts, in the back of their mind, they're still trying to stay strong, or in the back of their mind, they know they have to stay strong for you. They don't want you to see them like this, but they're trying to stay strong because of you or for you. They're trying to find their balance. This person could be talking with others about their problems that they're experiencing right now financially, or within the connection with you. They're talking to people about this, okay? This person feels like whatever is going on, they need some counsel. They need some advice. If they're not already talking to someone about this, then they're talking to you about this. And if they're not talking to anyone at all, then they feel like it's time to. This person really does need a friend right now, because something is happening where they need somebody to talk to. Okay, let's look at your point of view. Aquarius, how do you see this person? Because that was just the feelings, what's going on inside of you guys. But the point of view is a little different. So how you see this person, Aquarius, it looks like you'll see this person as someone who can usually see beyond the illusion that they're creating within this connection. What I mean by that is, whatever is beneath the surface, you know that this person has the ability to see it. So you'll see that this is someone who's following the signs from the universe about this whole connection, and still holding on to hope and faith within your connection, because you know that even though there's things that have come up within this connection that's causing this person to have some type of breakdown, or maybe causing them some type of stress, you know that this person still has a place for you in their heart. Like, that's how you see them. Like, yeah, I have all of this happening, but I still have you. You know you're still special to this person. You also see them as a living oracle. For some of you, you feel like this person just has all the answers. So some of you could be so confused, like, well, if this person has all the answers and are so gifted or are so smart and intelligent, then why is this person not paying attention to all the signs of the universe right now? It could be a situation where God is testing this person, but God is also nurturing this person by showing them small or subtle signs that everything's going to be okay with their finances, and that they're going to find a way to get through this. You feel like this is someone who always knows they're on the right path, so why are they doing this now? Like, why can't they handle this now? This person's always knowing what to do. So it's like you're questioning this person. It's like you're trying to find out, why is it that this person doesn't understand or know how to get through this? You've never seen this person like this. This is a new behavior for you. For others of you, it's more so about the connection. It's more so about the relationship itself. Like, why isn't this person paying attention to the signs from the universe right now? You see this person as being someone who honors your connection. That's how they make you feel. They make you feel like they honor you. They honor the connection. They make you feel like you're sacred. You see them as sacred. You see the connection as a sacred connection. This could be your twin flame you're dealing with, Aquarius. You see them like this. If this is resonating with you so far, Aquarius, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. But you see them being able to really notice what is not working right in their life and how to fix it, because they normally would help you. They normally would be able to help you out and tell you kind of like what to do. But they're not paying attention to what God is showing them right now. And you're just like, you're just watching this and you're just like, wow, I've never seen this person go through this. Okay. Now, this person's point of view of you, how are they seeing Aquarius right now? They feel like you're relaxing. You're super chill. They feel like you've given yourself some time to rest. You guys could have been working really hard, and they could have known this about you, and they know that you've been dying to get a break from work. You could be on some type of break from work, or you could be on like a spring break vacation. For others of you, you've just lost the job or you left a job, okay? And you're just relaxed. This is how they see you. It doesn't mean that this is what's going on, because some of you are probably like, I wish that was my life. But this person sees you as like kind of like on a break. Some of you could have stopped talking to them, and that's why they see you on this break, because maybe you put distance between the two of you because there's just too much going on this person's end. So you wanted to distance yourself from them, and they just see you slowing down the connection. But this person, even though you're on a break or at a distance from them, they still feel like you're allowing ideas to form. And things are just happening in your life naturally that seems to be very positive without you having to do much. Like it's almost like this feeling of all the kids got baby dolls for Christmas but them. Like they're the only one who didn't get that. Instead, they got a Cabbage Patch, and they're like, why did I get this thing and not a baby doll, not a Barbie? You know, they feel like you're part of the in crowd. You get what you want. Everything's looking fine for you. Why did they get the same thing that you got, but they're not grateful for it because it's not what everyone else has? So it's kind of like they're like in a why me energy, or why do I have to feel so overwhelmed with this? Okay. So this person sees you as someone who is also, speaking of feeling overwhelmed, they could feel like you feel overwhelmed with them right now. They feel like they've given you too many burdens. And if this is someone who likes to come to you for advice, they feel like they kind of don't know if they should come to you for advice right now or talk to you about their problems, because they don't want to keep putting things onto you and having you be that beacon of light all the time. This person sees you as someone who lives a very fast-paced lifestyle, or life is moving at a fast pace around you. So that's why you get slowed down. You need some time to just relax. So they don't want to burden you with their problems. That's what it's like. This person's respecting your boundaries, Aquarius. Whoever this is, they're respecting your boundaries. They don't want to burden you with their financial woes, or even if it's not money problems, it's emotional things, and they don't want to put this all on you and have you be the one feeling down because they're not feeling good about the way things are going. This is something personal for this person. This person is not gonna, they're probably not gonna tell you this. I tell you, I think a lot of people are not going to hear the truth from this person in the way I'm telling you the truth, okay? But this is how this person sees you. They see you as having like a to-do list, right? Having things to do, and you can't take your eyes off of it. You're really working on something, but at the same time, you've taken a break from them. Like you've taken a break from the connection, but you're still working on other things for yourself to progress. It's like you're doing what everyone else around them is doing, not focusing on them. People don't want to really hear this person out right now. They really need a voice of reason. They need someone to talk to. They need advice, but nobody around them is lending their ear to them, because everybody's doing their own thing and making their own money, or being creative and in their own space and doing their own thing. They don't really want to be a burden. Yeah. So this person sees you as someone who's really just like, you feel like you need to chill. You feel like you need a break. Maybe they feel like they've been a burden to you in the past. They've been causing you some frustration. You're kind of overwhelmed with them. Okay, so that's how they look at things. And that is your reading. If you guys are interested in the extended, check me out down below in the description box. There's a link for that. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.